Hello everyone, today I will provide some tips that helps you to boost your system's performance. Go to settings, click on apps, under apps, click on startup and turn off all the apps that you want to disable them on startup. Turn all the unnecessary apps off. This will boost your system's performance. Now go back, click on the search bar and type background apps. Click on background apps. Now we will be disabling the background apps. Turn all the apps off that you want them to disable, that won't run in the background. This will help to boost the performance of the system. Either you can turn all of them off. Now click on gaming and turn off this option. Now go back, search for run, or you can type window plus R to open run and type %temp%, click OK. Now delete all these unnecessary temporary files. Again open run, window plus R and type temp, click OK and click on continue and select all these files and click on delete. These files will be deleted and it will help to boost your system's performance. These are just temporary files. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope that helps you a lot.